Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 19th, 2023, Part 1. This week's theme is Funniness. The Serious Goose, written and illustrated by Kimmel. This is a serious goose. There is nothing silly about this goose. Do not even try to be silly around this goose. This goose will not smile at all. Not even if you put a chicken on her head. Nothing. Not even if you were to dress this goose as a moose. Zilch. Even if you order a pizza topped with delicious snails, no smile. This goose means business, serious business. No one can make this goose smile. What's that you say? You think you can do it? Ha! You think you can make this goose smile? There's no way. There is no way you can make this goose smile. No one can. This is a no-smiling goose. But go right ahead. Look in the mirror and give it a shot. Make funny faces. Let's see what you've got. Stick out your tongue and let your ears wiggle. Act like a monkey. This goose shall not giggle. Cluck like a chicken. Moo like a cow. Be doofy, be goofy, any way you know how. However you do it, it won't be enough. This goose isn't silly. This goose is too tough. See? I hate to say I told you so, but this is exactly what I knew would happen. Good try, though. You were very funny. Most geese would have laughed so hard eggs would be coming out, but not this goose. This goose will never, ever... Uh-oh. What is this? Something is happening to this goose. No, this can't be. Stop being so silly. This is a serious goose. Do not make the goose smile. Oh no. This is terrible. By the power vested in me, by the order of serious geese and gooses, I hereby command you to stop amusing this goose. Wow, the goose is really giggling. This is not such a serious goose after all. In fact, this seems to be a silly goose, thanks to you. You are a silly kid. Woof! You'll be hearing from our attorneys. The end. Okay, we're going to make some silly faces. And what you'll need is your Craft to Go kit, which has 4 silly faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 craft sticks that we'll use to hold them up. So we'll take those out of the way. What you'll need is some crayons or markers or colored pencils or paints or whatever. I'm going to use markers and a glue stick or glue. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to color the faces. And you can make them any way you want. So you just color them, and then we'll glue the sticks to them so that you can hold them up to your mouth and make little silly faces. So I'm going to go ahead and color these, and I'll come back when they're done. Okay, so I'm just going to finish up this one. And we're all done with the coloring. These are my silly faces. Now all we gotta do is put a little bit of glue on the glue or on the sticks. There's one. There's two. There's three. There's number 4. You just hold this up to your mouth. Hello! And you have a silly face. That's all there is to it.